Hello everyone, welcome back to Rosh Rocks. I'm trying to capture something special on this canvas today. Think for a moment, what does darkness really feel like? It's completely black. Sometimes life feels sad or lonely. Things don't always go our way. It can feel like everything bright is gone. We've all had moments like that when it feels like the light has disappeared. But that's when the real message of Diwali shines the brightest. From darkness to light, from dullness to glow. The diyas make everything shine beautifully. Even in the darkest black, one small light changes everything. That's the magic of Diwali, the festival of lights. Hope, that's the tiny spark in the dark. Each diya stands for courage, kindness, and strength. Our dreams, they're all little diyas lighting up the world. As the glow spreads from one diya to another, the darkness begins to shine. That's the true spirit of Diwali. When many small lights join together to create something powerful and bright, the golden glow you see is joy, love, and hope spreading across the canvas. May your life be filled with same brightness, good health, and happiness. Happy Diwali! Keep shining, keep smiling, and keep rocking with Roshan Rocks. Thank you.